Just a few comments about the differences between using ultrasonic tips and Munce burrs. The Munce burrs are fine, but they're not nearly as precise as the ultrasonic tips. So, and you have the problem with the visibility with the handpiece because this type of procedure is typically done under very high magnification. So, because it's a very precise activity, and you don't want to really cut into the dentin. I just want to remove that buildup material. There's glass ionomer there. This tooth has already had a root canal. I need to get my landmarks. I need to find where the MB1 is and then see if I can find the MB2. And to do that, I want to blast away all the buildup material without really weakening the dentin. So the Munce burrs are more of a search and destroy type of burr, whereas the ultrasonic tips, you can do this very discreetly because you can basically just shave the material off and never really touch the dentin. The advantage of doing it ultrasonically is you have tremendous feel and touch with this. It's just shaving that buildup material back, and you can actually feel what you're doing, whereas with the Munce burr, you don't. Even though it's very small, it's still more of a search and destroy, typical burr kind of situation. And here I have tremendous feel, and I can work them dry. This is a UT4 tip. You can do it dry, and then you go back in with water, and you still have the feel of it. Here I am removing that glass ionomer material or composite material, and I'm not really touching the dentin at all. And I can tell that by the feel and also visually. So when you look at this, see, I want to shave that wall back. And I do a few practice strokes with it dry, and then I can turn the water on and I can feel it. You can feel it in a way you simply can't with a high-speed handpiece or a Munce burr. And there you can see I've uncovered the MB1 and I haven't dug into the dentin at all. And now I need to maybe just shave the wall back ever so slightly. So this is a much more precise tool, and it's much more conservative to tooth structure than the Munce burr. And I think most people don't realize this. In fact, most people don't even do this under higher magnification. We do this under the highest possible magnification, and we have very good visibility over what we're doing. And when I'm touching the dentin, I can actually feel the dentin. There I've just troughed slightly, and you can actually see the MB2 now. You look on these visual keys, and because you can clean it up, there's an instrument in the MB2. So I just thought I'd post this because I don't really think most people understand how precise these tips are and how disciplined a procedure it actually is. So I hope this helps in understanding how to use these tips.